हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम ईवीएस में साइंस बूस्टर का लेसन 1 पढ़ेंगे। लेसन इज प्लांट रिप्रोडक्शन। Plant gives us food like cereal, pulses, fruits, vegetables, spices, etc. Besides this, plant also provide us with wood, different fibers, rubber, tea and coffee. They also gives us oxygen that is essential for all living organisms to stay alive. So, children, try to plant more trees in your surrounding. Growing plants from seeds. Plant produce a large number of seeds, but all seeds do not grow into a new plant. Only the seed that survive and get suitable condition grow into a new plant. Part of seeds. Now we will learn about different part of seeds. The outer covering of seed is called as seed coat. The seed coat protects the seed. On removing the seed coat, we find two parts attached to it. One is seedling and the other one is cotyledon. When we split them open, we find small greenish appearance, which is the baby plant. This baby plant has a tiny shoot and a tiny root. Baby plant is called as embryo. Food for the baby plant is stored in the cotyledon. Seed of some plant like gram have two seed leaves and are called as dicot or dicotyledonous. Seeds of some plant like maize have only one cotyledon. They are called monocot or monocotyledonous seeds. Germination of a seed. The growing of seed into a new plant is called as germination. Every seed needs suitable water, air and warm condition for growing. Germination seed need oxygen to breathe. Stages in germination. Germination of seed take place in various stages. The seed first absorbs the water from its hole. This softens this lead coat and a small root comes out from the seed which grow downward. It is called as radicle. A small shoot then comes out of the seed which grow upward is called as pumil. The seed with small shoot and a small root. After a few days, green leaves start appearing on the seedling. These leaves make their food by the process of photosynthesis. By this time, cotyledons dry up and fall as the food in them is used up. Dispersal of seed. There are some natural agents that scattered the seeds. These agents carry away the seed from the parent plant. This phenomenon is called as dispersal. Agent of seed dispersal. That is wind, water and animal. Growing plant from other part of plant. New plant can also be grown by stem, root and a leaf of a plant. This is called as vegetative propagation. Some plants do not have flower. They are called non-flowering plant. For example, mushroom. Crops and vegetables. Plant grown in a particular season on large area are known as crop. Different crops are grown in different season. Crops are of two types, Rabi crop and Kharif crop. Rabi crop, those crops which are grown in winter season for November to April are called as Rabi crop. For example, wheat and barley. Kharif crop are those crops which are grown in summer season from June to October are called Kharif crop. For example, maize, bajra, jowar, jute, etc. Now, growing crops. The practice of growing crop plant on the large scale is called as agriculture. Good crops can be produced by using healthy and rare seeds for sowing, preparing soil in the right manure, adding right quantity and quality of manure, irrigating soil at a proper time, use protection of crops and storage of seed. We need to protect seeds from grazing animals like goat, cow, etc. This can be done by proper fencing of farming area. After harvesting the crop, they need to be protected by moisture and pest. Therefore, they should be stored in air